How to log in Universal Credit accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your Universal Credit Card accounts. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser and at the top search bar type in Universal Credit Card Login. As you do so, you will see its official website on the first search result that says sign into your Universal Credit account. Tap onto it. Here tap on sign in at the middle section. Now scroll below and enter your username. Once done, type in your password at the password box. And once you do all that, tap on sign in. In case you have forgotten your username or your password, you can tap on to forgotten username or forgotten password and get help resetting your account. And if your credential matches your account, you will successfully get logged into your Universal Credit Card account. And that is how you can do it. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.